In today's video, I'm going to teach you purchasing a Lebara SIM online is simple. We'll walk through the full journey from choosing the right website to activating your SIM so you can get connected with confidence. First, head to the official Lebara website for your country. Using the correct site ensures you see local plans, prices, and delivery options that actually apply to you. For example, you might visit lebara.co.uk in the UK, lebara.fr in France, or lebara.com.au in Australia. Type the address directly or use a trusted search to avoid unofficial resellers. Next, browse the site and decide whether you want a plan right away or a free SIM you can pair with a plan later. Take a moment to compare data allowances, minutes, and texts, and check details like 5G availability, international calling options, and whether the plan auto-renews. If you travel, look for any roaming details that matter to you. Promotional prices can be time-limited, so note how long the offer lasts before renewal. When you've made your choice, you'll be asked for your personal details and shipping address. Enter your full name and accurate delivery information, including apartment or building numbers and the correct postcode to avoid delays. Use an email address you check often so you receive order updates and activation instructions. In some countries, mobile providers may require identity verification, so make sure your details match your official documents if prompted later. To complete your order, provide your payment details on the secure checkout page. Review the order summary carefully, confirming the plan, any upfront SIM or postage charges, and the billing total. If there's a promo code or discount, apply it before you pay. Once you submit payment, you should receive a confirmation on screen and by email. Your SIM will then be delivered by post, typically within 1 to 10 working days, depending on your location and shipping method. Keep an eye on your email for tracking or delivery updates. The SIM usually arrives in a small envelope that fits through most letterboxes. When your SIM arrives, it's time to activate. You can do this online on the Lebara website or in the My Lebara app. Have the SIM card handy so you can enter the SIM number if asked. Insert the SIM into your phone, then follow the on-screen steps to confirm your plan or top up if needed. If you're keeping your current number, look for the option to transfer it during activation. Activation can take a short while. Once it's done, restart your phone and test calls, texts, and data. If data doesn't start immediately, the app or website will guide you through any quick settings you might need. And that's it, you're ready to go.